Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
This video explains how to use a CPM machine for your knee after surgery. A CPM machine moves your knee gently through a set range of motion. Your surgeon will prescribe the starting angle and daily duration for safe recovery. Start using a CPM within the first 24 to 48 hours after surgery or as instructed by your care team. The goal is to reduce stiffness, improve circulation, and protect your surgical repair during early healing. Begin by positioning the leg centered on the CPM cradle with padding under the calf. Ensure the knee joint aligns with the machine hinge to avoid unnatural stress. Secure straps snugly, but not tightly to prevent sliding or pressure sores during motion. Adjust foot plate so the ankle rests comfortably and the toes point upward slightly. Confirm the machine is stable and plugged in before powering on for the first session. Set the initial flexion and extension angles to the surgeon-prescribed settings before starting. Increase the range gradually each day based on comfort and clinical guidance to avoid overstressing tissues. Use sessions typically lasting 30 to 120 minutes, 2 to 6 times daily, as advised by your care team. Monitor skin under straps for redness and check circulation in toes during use. Stop immediately if you feel sharp pain or numbness, and contact your surgeon for adjustments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.